Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to change the phone number in TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, you need to go to the TikTok app on your devices. Then in the bottom right corner, open Profile. Then at the top, click on the three bars, Settings and Privacy. Here, you select Account. Then select User Information, and it says Phone Number. Click here. Next, we have Change Phone. The second one is Cancel Phone Number. We click Change Phone. Then we have to enter any phone number. Then click Send Code. We'll get a notification code. And then we can change the phone number in TikTok to another phone number. Confirm with another code from this new phone number. This is how easy it is to change your phone number in TikTok. If you liked this video, you can subscribe, give a like. Thanks for watching. See you later. Goodbye.